winning silver at this event in the under 19 category. The journey has been tough, and I've worked very hard to earn this. Maybe I could have changed the color to gold. It was a very close match against a fellow Indian squad player. We both created the history by making it to the finals of the under 19 in the Asian Junior Championship, and feels very good as I played really tough matches in the entire week of the event. Defeating the Pakistani in the semi-final also was a big achievement for me, and yes, feels great to win the silver medal for India. Well, this surely isn't the end. I have the World Championship coming up in the next 1 month in Malaysia at the end of July, for which I'll be going to Egypt for 15-20 days the next week. Surely, again, as I said, I could have changed the color to gold, but again, learned a lot from this, and will surely implement it in my future matches when I'm representing India. And yes, my next aim will be the World Junior Championship at Kuala Lumpur in July.